So what's your most nostalgic moment with a classic Volkswagen Beetle? Guys, when it comes to this lovely, beloved car, the memories are just incredible. Whether it's your first time behind the wheel, a family vacation, or wrenching on your very own bug, these cars have a way of creating moments that stick with us forever. I don't know of any other car in history that has this kind of emotional impact on people. So I've come up with 5 nostalgic moments. I think these are the top 5 on my list of the most memorable Beetle experiences. If I missed a moment, or you have a really cool memory that you want to share with the folks here, leave it in the comments section below. All right, let's take a trip down memory lane. Number 1, first drive. Let's start with that unforgettable first drive in a Beetle. There's something magical about sliding behind that big, thin steering wheel for the first time. The sound of that air-cooled engine sputtering to life, the feel of the long, skinny gear lever, and that unique Beetle smell, a mix of gasoline, oil, and nostalgia. For many of us, that first drive was a rite of passage. Maybe it was in your parents' Beetle, or a friend's, or maybe it was the moment you first drove your very own bug. Whatever the circumstances, that first time piloting a Beetle is something you never forget. The way the car responded to your inputs, the way it bounced along the road, the way it made you feel like you were part of something special, it's all etched in your memory. Remember trying to figure out the quirks of the Beetle, like mastering the art of shifting that long gear stick, or getting used to the pedal arrangement that was just a bit different from other cars. And how about that moment when you first successfully parked it, using those unique dimensions to your advantage? These experiences were more than just driving. They were initiations into the world of Beetle ownership. Number 2, family road trips. Next up, we've got those classic family road trips in the Beetle. Now, if you've ever been on a long journey in a bug, you know it's an experience like no other. Packing the family and all your gear into that tiny car was like solving a puzzle. But once you hit the road, the adventures began. Remember the picnics by the roadside, the windows down to catch a breeze, because who had air conditioning, and the games of slug bug with your siblings. Those trips weren't always comfortable, but they were always memorable. The Beetle had a way of bringing families together, quite literally, given its cozy interior. Think about those long stretches of highway, the rhythm of the air-cooled engine providing the soundtrack to your journey. The way the whole family cheered when you crested a steep hill, or how you'd all lean forward in your seats to help the bug make it up. And let's not forget the inevitable roadside stops, not just for gas, but sometimes to let the engine cool down or to tighten a loose this or that. These weren't inconveniences. They were part of the adventure. Number 3, Beetle Restoration Project. Now, let's talk about Beetle restoration projects. For many enthusiasts, bringing an old bug back to life is a labor of love that creates some of the most nostalgic memories. There's something deeply satisfying about taking a rusty, neglected Beetle and transforming it into a shining example of automotive history. I have firsthand experience with this. Remember the hours spent hunting for that perfect part? The weekends in the garage, covered in grease? The frustration when something didn't fit quite right? And the triumph when you finally got that engine purring again? These projects are more than just car restorations. They're journeys of discovery, learning, and sometimes it'll test patience. But in the end, the pride of driving your restored Beetle makes it all worthwhile. Think about the first time you stripped down that old engine, laying out all the parts and hoping you'd remember how to put it back together. Or the satisfaction of seeing that first glimpse of original paint after hours of careful sanding. How about the moment when you finally turned the key and after months or maybe years of work, heard that familiar air-cooled purr? These are the moments that make Beetle restoration so rewarding. Number 4, attending a Beetle meetup. There's nothing quite like the first time you roll into a gathering of fellow Beetle enthusiasts. Suddenly you're surrounded by people who speak your language. People who understand why you love these quirky little cars. The sight of dozens, maybe even hundreds of Beetles all in one place is something to behold. The variety of colors, the different modifications, the mix of perfectly restored and lovingly worn examples, it's a feast for the eyes. And the stories. Everyone has a Beetle story, and these meetups are the perfect place to share them. It's a reminder that when you own a Beetle, you're part of a worldwide community. Remember the excitement of preparing your bug for its first show, the hours spent cleaning and polishing, making sure every detail was perfect. Then there's the drive to the meetup, perhaps joining a convoy of Beetles along the way. Once you're there, it's like a family reunion, except this family is bound by a love of air-cooled engines and curved fenders. You swap stories, share tips, and maybe even find that elusive part you've been searching for. These meetups aren't just events, they're celebrations of Beetle culture. Number 5, owning one as your first car. Last but certainly not least, we've got the experience of owning a Beetle as your first car. For many of us, our first set of wheels was a bug. And what a way to start your driving life. Sure, it might not have been the fastest or the most modern car on the road, but it had character in spades. Remember the feeling of freedom that came with your Beetle? The way you could personalize it with stickers, seat covers, or a new paint job? The adventures you had, the friends you made, the places you went, all because you had your trusty bug. For many, that first Beetle wasn't just a car. It was a companion on the journey into adulthood. Think about those late nights working on your bug, learning its quirks and how to keep it running. The pride you felt when you fixed something yourself for the first time. Or how about those moments when your Beetle let you down? Maybe it wouldn't start, or it broke down miles from home. As frustrating as they were at the time, even these became cherished memories, part of your growth as a driver and a Beetle owner. And let's not forget the social aspect. Your Beetle was probably a hit with your friends, always volunteered for road trips or beach runs. It might have even played a part in your romantic life. After all, who could resist the charm of a classic bug? So, there you have it. 5 incredibly nostalgic moments with the Volkswagen Beetle. From that first drive to owning your first bug. Each of these experiences has a special place in the hearts of Beetle enthusiasts around the world. You know, thinking about these nostalgic moments really shows why the Beetle has been such a beloved car for so long. It's not just a mode of transportation, it's a creator of memories, a catalyst for adventures, and for many, a lifelong passion. I'm really eager to hear from you guys. Which of these nostalgic moments resonates with you the most? Was it your first time behind the wheel of a bug, those family road trips, a restoration project you poured your heart into, a memorable meetup, or was the Beetle your first automotive love? Whatever your most nostalgic Beetle moment, drop it in the comments below. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week for more classic Volkswagen goodness.